Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday and it's already 3:42 p.m. So today's workout is a leg day. That's why I'm vlogging this one and I'm going to show you what I do on my leg day. See ya. Leg days are my favorite days to work out, and I usually do leg workouts 3 times a week. And it's a three workout split per leg day. But for today's video, it's going to be quads and glutes focused kind of workout. Warm-ups are one of the most important part of working out, especially with big muscle groups, such as glutes, your quads, your hamstrings. Taking the time to warm up and activate your muscle is essential when you plan on lifting heavy weights. I've seen a lot of people working out and getting injured just because they don't take warm up seriously or don't even do it at all. Today, I've decided to try and lift heavily again after my long break, and it was sad to start low again, but a week after getting my body adjusted to working out, I feel like I can lift heavier weights, but not the same weight I lifted before when I was very active. So here I am doing a warm up set without any weights. As I progressed to overload my weights, I asked the coach to help and spot my lift. And I'm also wearing a lifting belt under my shirt to support and protect my back. I originally intended to just do 5 to 6 reps for this weight, but my coach really encouraged and pushed me to go for 8 to 10 reps since he saw I still had a lot of power to squat more reps. I really appreciate getting help from coaches as they really know how to push you to do more and achieve more. So for this workout, I did a 3-minute rest in between sets since lifting heavy also requires longer rest in between so your body can have more time to recover your muscle and still be able to perform your reps in the next set. So for this final set, this is already around 60 kilograms and I didn't expect that my coach had other plans for me. So after doing 6 reps on this weight, my coach then proceeded to do a drop set on me and had me squatting 4 more sets with 50 kilogram weight, and he was supposed to drop another weight, but my body didn't do it anymore. For my second workout, I didn't really go super heavy on the RDLs, primarily because of my grip, and I forgot my hand grip, so I had to settle with 15 kilogram each dumbbell for this workout. In between sets, I actually got to interview the coaches in my gym and ask them one question: how to achieve your first pull up. All the coaches had different answers, which tells me that they also have different approaches in order to achieve that first pull up. One coach focused on nutrition, eating fibers, and protein to gather strength to pull yourself up. One coach also focused on losing weight and strict diet to be able to carry yourself up. And another coach focused on techniques, slow progression workouts to get your first pull up. This time, our abduction machine was broken, so I had to come up with another exercise for my side glutes. And I asked the coach to teach me how to do it. But yeah, you can see I don't know if I'm hitting it right, honestly. And instead of feeling it on my working leg, I mostly just feel the burn on my standing leg. So I just canceled that exercise. For my step up exercise, my coach had me do a glute isolation for this exercise by placing a block in between my knee and the wall and stepping it back the farthest that I can. Filming is so hard when there's a lot of people to blur out, but I gotta stick to the hustle. As you can see, I had to seriously lock in on this exercise because sometimes I tend to have one leg lift more than the other, ending in an imbalance when my muscles get sore. And I didn't get it on cam, but I actually ended up doing single leg extensions just to make sure that I get the right effort in both quads. So for my last exercise, I did some varieties on this leg press, and by positioning my foot differently, I also get to hit different muscle groups depending on what I want to work on. So here I am hitting quads when I position my foot a hip width apart, and I also just do work out my calves in between the exercise when I do leg presses. Here you can see that I position my foot higher and near the edge of the platform, and that's because I want to hit my glutes, and holding my glutes also with my hands just gives me the right cue and mind to muscle connection. The gym got crowded just as I finished my leg workout, so I decided to just do my cool down stretches at home. And cool down stretches are just as important as warm up and dynamic stretches because this time you're helping your muscles get stretched and relaxed, minimizing the soreness that is about to come hours after leg day workouts. So that's it for the leg day workout vlog, and thank you so much for joining me. If you've reached this part of the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next vlog. I think for my next vlog, I'm gonna do a sit down vlog finally and talk about tarot cards and tarot reading. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.